Hi, I'm Desiree Moore, founder and creator of Greenhorn Legal. I am running out the door this morning, but I wanted to take a second and say hi to you guys and let you know that in the upcoming year we are rolling out a bunch of videos that are going to help you in your legal practice. So videos that you can refer back to, videos that you can use as a mentor, let's say, or as a companion as you sort of make your way through your legal practice. The other thing I wanted to tell you, because it's on my mind, yesterday afternoon I did a training program with AmLaw 100 attorneys here in Chicago. It was a lot of fun, really great program, but something came up and I just felt like it was worthwhile to kind of take a moment, even though I'm sort of rushing right now, and just mention this because it's such an important thing. I was sitting down with a focus group of junior associates, maybe in their third or fourth year of practice, and one of the associates expressed that he was working on a very big case. There were thousands of attorneys on this case from various law firms, and he didn't feel that he was really making a name for himself in his case, and more specifically, he said he had never been before the client. He had never had any client interaction, and he regretted this. He wanted to get in front of the client, wanted to interact with the client. And this raised a point that I think is so critical. As a new lawyer, as a junior associate, whether you've been at the firm for a month or for, 3 years, it really doesn't matter. You have been in front of the client, and this is how. Every timesheet that you fill out, every time entry that you create goes directly to the client. So not only have you been in front of the client, you've created work product that the client has had an opportunity to read, and that work product contains your name right next to it. When a client reads a bill, they read the time entry, they see how much time you've spent, and they also see your name right by it. So your work product and your name have been in front of the client. So think about that when you draft your time entries. This is your first opportunity to make an impression on the client and to really demonstrate the kind of attorney that you are. When you're creating your timesheets, think about drafting the timesheets as a mini memorandum. Each entry should be meaningful, should contain information that justifies the time that you spent. Consider using the client's name if relevant. If you've had some interaction with the client or if you're referring to the client in some way, rather than simply saying client, which comes across as a little bit flippant or maybe disrespectful, use the client's proper name. Make the client feel like they're engaging with you as you are creating and drafting your timesheets. In addition to that, think about creating a progression. Oftentimes we work on client matters for days and weeks and months on end, rather than a timesheet that reflects that every single day you did the same thing. You drafted a memorandum or you researched an issue day after day after day. Think about creating a progression. Perhaps at first you looked into preliminary issues concerning a particular topic. Perhaps you outlined key research topics. Perhaps the next day you actually performed some research, and the following day you performed additional research. Think about your timesheets as a story that the client is reading from start to finish. The client wants to feel as though you've done something new and fresh and different and important, frankly, on their work every single day. So with that, I'm running out the door, as I said, but think about that. You do have exposure to the client. You do have an opportunity to be in front of the client, and it's within your control to do the best work possible with your time entries so that the client regards you highly and likes you and knows and trusts you and wants to work with you going forward. Thanks so much. Can't wait to share the rest of our videos with you in the future. Have a great day and see you soon.